आज का वीडियो थोड़ा सा अलग होगा क्योंकि इतने दिनों से हम ये बता रहे हैं कि वैक्सीन स्लॉट्स किस तरीके से आपको ढूंढने हैं और किस तरीके से एफिशिएंटली पाने हैं। बट इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे कि किन लोगों को कोविड वैक्सीन नहीं लेनी चाहिए या फिर इमीडिएटली नहीं लेनी चाहिए या फिर इस कुछ समय तक जब तक कोई और मॉडिफाइड वैक्सीन नहीं आ जाती उन्हें वो वैक्सीन नहीं लेनी है। टॉकिंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट थिंग इज people who have contracted corona in the past. The new guidelines suggest that you are supposed to take the COVID vaccine only after 9 months. Previously this was around 6 months, but now it's upgraded to 9 months. Next important thing that you should note, if you have had the first dose of the COVID vaccine and then you have contracted corona, the new recommendations say that you should wait until 3 months to take the second dose. Earlier, this gap was around 4 to 8 weeks for people who have contracted corona after the first dose. Next important thing that you should note that people who are only above the age of 18 are recommended for these vaccines because children have not been there in the testing process of these vaccines. Next important parameter is to note that women who are pregnant were not part of the trials. Thus, it's very important that they do not take the vaccines. If you've still not subscribed to our channel, press the bell icon and like this video right now. Moving on to the next category of people that who are not supposed to take the COVID vaccine are the ones who have had reactions to this vaccine previously, and the category of people who have allergic to injectable kind of pharmaceuticals as well as food items. So that is very important that you please consult your physician if you have specific allergies related to injectable items. Moving on to another category of people that who should not be taking the vaccine is talking about people who have actually immunodeficiency as well as are patients which are dealing with the HIV virus and kind of medication, because their immune system is already very stressed and adding a vaccine could result in a little difficult and a complicated scenario. Another important parameter is that if you have had COVID-like symptoms, you have not tested yourself, it is better recommended that you take at least 4 to 8 weeks after recovery to take the first dose of the COVID vaccine. Do not take it immediately. Another important thing that is actually now very much critical in these times is to be that somebody who has been given the convalescent plasma treatment should not be given the vaccine immediately and has to take a gap of at least 4 to 8 weeks after complete recovery before we add the vaccine and cause the new antibodies formation. Another important guideline for Covishield is that please consult your physician if you have issues like having abnormally low platelet counts. If you learned something from this video, then do share this video. This is something which we are doing, collecting on reliable information from the Ministry of Health of India and trying to assimilate in the form of a video to give you that information. Any kind of medical decision that you want to take regarding the vaccines, I would suggest you to consult your medical practitioner. Thank you so much, and like, share, subscribe this video. Bye bye.